Howdy class, and I want to make a video to give you a rundown on how to exactly upload your references to the group so they can be shared. So right now you're seeing on my screen is the Welcome to Mendeley. I've logged in. So to get here, some important tips. You need to, number one, make a Mendeley account. Number two, log into that account. And you should have also received from me an invite to our group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you two quick things. Here's my library. You will need to have had your references already uploaded in your library to share them. Number two is I want to show you on the side there is the notebook. So for this assignment, you're going to need to write around 5 sentences. It can be more, but please don't do too much less. Summarizing each of the 10 articles you have chosen. So click on the reference, click in the notebook. You have to hit add a page to it. So I'm going to hit add a page, put the title in there. Your name is fine. And then type out some information, right? Now, once you've done that for all 10, the next step is to actually upload that into Mendeley. So I'm going to head back to my landing page. Now go ahead and once you've got all 10 written up, you hit groups. Here is our group. You got to invite to it. If you can't find that invitation, please send me an email and I'll re-invite you. But let me click on our cognitive class group. You can see that I've posted and Sam has posted as well. So in order to share all your references, super easy, hit attach documents and you can highlight multiple documents to share, right? So I'm showing here, I'm sharing two, hit add documents. And then you can type in a little bit, hey, this is Sam, Sarah, whatever your name is, here are my 10 documents with notes. Something like that. I'll put test in here and I'll go ahead and that's it. All 10 documents will show in there. All 10 will have the notes as long as you wrote them out, and you hit post. And that is it. Now, once everyone's done doing that, you're going to click add to library. So you're going to click on each one of your fellow students' posts and click add to library. Wait a second, and bam, it heads over to your private Mendeley database. So simple rundown. If you run into any issues, problems, please send me an email. I'll be happy to help. But that is a run through on how you can share with your fellow students your references and the notes that you've written for them.